What's up, everybody? Demolition Derby for life. 2018 Demolition Derby update video. I run youth class, so I'm allowed to keep stock gas tank if it's in front of the axle. Here, just look how rotted that is. I don't know if you guys can see. It's very rotted and bad fuel pump. And so I had this Oldsmobile fuel pump. It's for 3.1. And then that's what I have on this. So then it all plugs in, and so went ahead and put this gas tank, hooked it all up. Had a little bit of help, a lot of help recently. And so I'm cranking on it. Couldn't figure out why it wasn't wanting to start. And remember, fuel pump wasn't wanting to kick on and all this other stuff. Fuel pump regulator and stuff. This right here wasn't hooked or shut all the way, so I had enough room to pop out and all this other stuff. So every time I would hit someone in Derby, that's why I got out last year, because fuel pump kicked off. One of these little right here, all these stuff came on loose, and made it to where it wouldn't start up because fuel pump. Then you have it sit for a while, it's like start getting a little bit of connection to it. I'm not running these sticks, so that's what I'm on here for. This is to see how loud it would be with some cheap shot sticks. Really loud, so here I'm going to start it up now. Listen to this, you can hear the fuel pump real loud too. Now I'll start up the car. Or I was. Demolition Derby for life. I'll keep you updated with me showing you how to mount gas tank and battery, and I'll have to get into the alternator from the junkyard for it. Demolition.